that while we were sinners, while we were yet sinners, Christ died for us. If any man should believe in him, he should not perish, but have everlasting life. But God commended his love toward us, and that while we were yet, oh, God commended his love toward us, and that while we were yet toward us, and that while we were yet sinners, oh, God commendeth his love toward us, and that while we were yet sinners, Christ died for us. If any man should believe on him, he should not perish, have everlasting life. Everlasting life. For God so loved the world that he gave. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in him should not perish, should not perish, but have everlasting life. God commended his love toward us, that while we were yet sinners, Christ died for us, that whosoever believeth on him should not perish, have everlasting life. For God so loved the world, he gave his only Son, his only begotten Son, for man, oh, for man. What is man?